Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and we're here in beautiful Atlantic City on a fantastic autumn evening. We're going to take a tram ride this evening, and we're going to enjoy the sights and sounds of the Atlantic City Boardwalk. From the Tropicana, we're going to head north to the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, which is where I'm staying today. Now, the last tram ride we took was during the summer. It was during the daytime as well, so things were a lot more crowded then than you're going to see tonight. It's about 8 o'clock on a fall evening. This is one of the last trams running. I believe they stop pretty much around 8 o'clock. You're lucky if you can get one a little after 8. And you're going to see it's a lot more quieter than that summer tram ride we took. So sit back, relax, enjoy the crisp autumn sea air, and listen to those boards go bumpity, 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 bumpity all the way to the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, and we'll take in the sights and sounds of the Atlantic City Boardwalk. You ready? Let's get rolling. So as we roll along the boards here, we'll see that a lot of shops are closed already. Again, it's a little after 8 o'clock. Some of the shops we'll see are in the process of closing, and some of them are actually closed for the season. Not many, but some of them do close for the entire season. This big empty lot is the site of the former Trump Plaza. As I said, these trams this time of year run pretty much until 8 o'clock. You might get lucky and catch one, 10 minutes, 15 minutes after that. And if you flash them a smile, they'll probably stop off and pick you up for one last ride. So the cost is $4. It's $4 during the season and off season as well. You can get a day ticket for $10, and you can hop on and off as much as you want all day long. I just hand the driver a $5 bill and tell them to keep the change, and they appreciate that. There is a lot going on here at Caesars. Hell's Kitchen just opened recently. Nobu, the new restaurant, is going to be opening up shortly. It's going to open before the year ends. They're opening a Starbucks at the front of the building by the valet. I consider this the back of the building. Just lots going on, lots of plywood partitions and construction going on. And I think by the end of the year, they're going to tie everything up in a nice bow and make Caesars look beautiful once again. I had been walking all day. I must have walked at least 10 miles today, and when I saw the tram coming, I hailed her down, and the first thing she said was, "How's your day going?" And I told her, "Much better now that I've seen her." And I'm thinking about my feet, but I think she was thinking I was flirting, so maybe it was a little of both. I just can't help myself. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Shout out to Deborah Camacho, who found Captain Morgan in my latest Norwegian getaway video, Crazy Casino Games. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. If you watched that casino and cruise news show I just did, something I'm experimenting with here on the channel, you'll know that in Atlantic City Halloween weekend there is lots going on. Pretty much every hotel and casino's got something, if not several things going on, including the Claridge, which we just passed. Their View Bar, which is on the rooftop, is planning a big party. So I'm hoping I'll be in town that night, or at least that weekend. And if I am, I'm probably going to be visiting lots of places. Some people just never get out of the way. The tram is supposed to ride between the yellow lines on the boardwalk. That's pretty much its zone. And if you refuse to move, well, then the tram's got to go out of its zone, which could create a dangerous situation. Coming up here is Royal Fashions, which is where I believe the new King Charles and Camilla will be shopping for their coronation outfits. And I also understand that Meghan Markle and Kate Middleton were both shopping there at the same time. It was very awkward. We're coming up on the Atlantic Palace. Has anyone here ever stayed there? Leave a comment below. I'd be very interested to know what it's like inside. It's quite a large building. You'd never know it from the boardwalk, but it is quite a large building right here in the center of the boardwalk. Also, I always wondered if that's planet Earth crashing into the Believe It or Not building, then we must be on a different planet, right? Hey guys, don't forget to click on that thanks button. It's the easiest way to support the New York channel, and I really do appreciate your support. Thank you too. I've been walking all day and that tram was a welcome sight, so glad I got it. Best $4 plus a dollar tip. Best $5 I spent all day.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.